Hello, welcome back guys to Spotify channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to automatically activate battery saver on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click a subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, here you just have to open the settings applications first. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down and find the battery option. And at this page, you can see here the battery saver. You just have to tap it, and if you wanna automatically activate it, you just have to click this button beside the low battery options. You just have to tap it, and you can set up this feature will be turned on at what percentage of battery. You just have to tap it, and here from the default at 10%, you just have to shift the button here. For the example, I'm gonna turn it on at 30%. You just have to tap set. And now if the battery percentage reach 30%, the battery saver will be active automatically. And yeah, I think it's enough for today from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.